Welcome, today in front of me Poco F5 Pro, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should get the green Apple keyboard from the Play Store. That's why I open the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard, click to the switcher, twice tap to OK and go back. Tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to green Apple keyboard, then tap to finish, and that's it. So now let's check the new keyboard, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.